That's whoever installed the box then and whoever sheet traffic at jump off. I'm not gonna miss Miguel. I'm going Florida, I'm gonna miss me, baby.
You say that's a drug? So, first thing you do is to get all these wires together. Hey,
So what?
trying to explain to my audience what you gotta do here. No?
You're not getting it.
I'm explaining to my audience, bro, what I'm doing, bro. All the way together. Make sure they're even. Let me see that pliers.
Suppliers.
What you got there? Show them on. Wait up on. Thank you.
Like some 450 correct.
Huh?
Oh no, whoever installed this box is smart. I take it back.
Okay now, man.
The black is an extender box.
That's not they was dumb. Now them smart.
God, Christmas come early. Wednesday, may hear Quran, may hear like Christmas.
I just cut the pigtail a little bit longer.
I want me fuck you, ugly. You never tell me say you want me. Tell me I fi go fuck the shotty. And you know say if my wife catch me out gone, so me have to play smart with this one. If you can't offer nothing good, you don't want no fucking piece of you, cause you just look like a chest to me life. What do you think about the tune, right?
Point.
Yeah?
On point.
Yeah, man.
This is why you don't cheap. It's expensive.
Don't you know what going over here? At least let us go with it. Right?
Huh?
Vincent said, leave over they pump up. Say, you know who teach me? Say, you know who taught me too, right? And I say, you know I've been pulling my hand in compound before you, right? You say, bad.
I'll give you a run for your
We
money.
run out of work though. We don't for a fact because they can't do work.
Yeah, right.
You heard?
When?
Last week.
Davity.
Yeah?
Davity.
Well, or they can't get